Hi, I'm Hannah and I work in customer success at Atom. We speak to parents daily and lots come to us for advice about the 11 plus. If you're applying to a grammar school in Kent, keep watching to learn all about your child's entrance exam. There are 32 grammar schools in Kent and another 6 in Medway. All the grammar schools within the Kent Council area use an 11 plus exam called the Kent Test. Your child will take 2 one-hour papers. Paper 1 covers English and maths, and Paper 2 tests reasoning. All the questions in both papers are multiple choice. Your child will also have a short creative writing task. This is only marked if the school needs to use it for a borderline case. Let's take a look at Paper 1. There is a 30-minute English section and a 30-minute maths section. Both include 5 minutes at the start for unmarked practice questions to ease your child into the test. The English section involves a reading comprehension exercise. Some questions test skills in grammar, punctuation and vocabulary. Your child will have questions such as completing a sentence, finding synonyms and antonyms, and spotting mistakes in sentences too. In the maths section, your child will see questions based on what they've learned at school. They should know their times tables and be able to use all 4 operations. Some questions will test skills such as fractions, decimals, percentages and geometry. And there will also be some harder worded maths problems too. After a short break, your child begins Paper 2. This tests reasoning, which isn't taught in primary schools. The first section tests verbal reasoning, which means problem solving with written information like words, letters and numbers. There is a 10-minute practice at the start and 20 minutes of questions. Questions will be based on things like vocabulary, finding and building words, solving codes and understanding sequences. The second section tests non-verbal reasoning and spatial reasoning. This involves looking at the relationships between shapes and spotting changes between shapes in a sequence. Your child will also need to picture shapes in their head and move them around to solve problems. This section is split into shorter sections which are timed individually. Your child will be told when to begin and when to end each section. The writing task is the final part of the test. This involves 10 minutes for planning and 30 minutes for writing. Remember, this will only be marked and used in borderline cases. Papers 1 and 2 are marked using an optical mark reader. This analyses your child's question sheets and gives a mark for each correct answer. Your child's scores are then adjusted based on age so that younger children aren't disadvantaged. This is called age standardisation. Your child will get 3 standardised scores for English, maths and reasoning and 1 total score. Kent grammar schools are looking for a total score of at least 332 and individual scores of at least 109. The maximum possible score is 423. There are lots of useful resources to help your child prepare for the Kent test on Atom, including online and paper practice tests. When your child takes an Atom mock test, you'll get a full transcript with their results. You'll be able to see their answers to every question and get helpful data such as their standardised age score and how long they took to complete the test. Help your child feel confident for the Kent test. Visit atomlearning.com to get started.